All right, YouTube, today I'm bringing y'all a 30-day rehab. This project actually took me about 45 to 47 days. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 850 square foot apartment. It was really in bad shape. Had a lot of bed bugs. It was roach infested, feces everywhere, mold behind a lot of the drywall. It was just a handful to deal with. But I got right to it like I normally do.
Shit, we still have a game night over here this weekend?
Huh?
We still have a game night over here this weekend?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it.
No carpet, no furniture. What's going on?
So I pretty much took everything out that was bad. Carpets, cabinets, vanities, appliances, drywall, bust down all of the tile in the bathroom, doors, baseboards, all of my light fixtures. It's a lot of mold. You can see some mold right there. Cut out all of the bad plumbing. The one thing I did do was keep that bathtub right there. You'll see a better picture of what I did or how I did later on.
I think I found.
But got right to it. Took everything straight to the dump. This is a 14 by 7 foot, 4 foot high wall hydraulic dump trailer. Just get back to it. Hooked it up to the back of one of our 250s.
You wanna drive forward?
So I did a lot of things at the same time, but the first thing I did was my electrical and my plumbing. All of my stuff behind my walls, of course, you got to do all of that stuff first. Got rid of the ceiling fan in the living room, installed 6 flat recessed lights, cut the holes out with a 6-inch hole saw, wired those things all up. Got the plumbing going in the bathroom, reran all of my plumbing, couple electrical wires that were bad. After that, I just went ahead and moved on to the bathroom. My whole mindset here is just move this thing forward. Somebody's trying to move in. So got into my bathroom, leveled out the floors, repaired all of the walls with some green board, got my tile in, did the tile for the bathtub. I used the same 12 by 24 tile. Put all of that stuff in. I did not do any of my grout until the final paint was done. I changed all of my boxes for my stackable washer and dryer, the water feed for the ice maker for the refrigerator, did all of my drywall repairs, sanded it, painted it, the normal process. Got my first coat going on, pressure tested all of my water, making sure everything is right, no leaks, just the normal. I did a lot of change a lot of receptacles, changed a lot of light switches, got rid of all of my doors, those old metal doors, got those out of there. All of my registers, went ahead and replaced all of those. We're not repainting those. Smoke detectors, hardwired those in for code. Then I had to remove the hot water tank in the closet in one of the bedrooms so we can finish putting the LVP flooring down. The floor that I used was 7 inches wide, and it came with the subflooring padding on the back. Just moving the project along. All right. That quick. Got my pump everything all wrapped back up. Got 3 boxes of floors to be taken back. Got this tank all moved out the way here. I just cut it, bam, bam. Cut them out, clean this up, finish our floors, set that back into place. Get these baseboards in, doors in. Start my final paint, outlet plate covers. There's some blinds going on in here, but yeah, this is where we at. My goal is to do this thing under 30 days. We're at about our 10th day of work here. And I think we should be looking at about 25, 26 days for this whole project to be completed. And that's not working every day. It's not working every day. All right, logging out. All right. Just another walkthrough. Got my cabinets and stuff up. My job today, get my granite countertops put in. Quartz actually. Going to put on my compression valves, shut off valves. Here's our bathroom. Hey, there you go right there. Let's grab those. Get this tub reglazed, hopefully by tomorrow. And this is where we're at. This is where we're at. All right, I gotta shut this off.
So countertop arrived, measured that up, got it cut out, went ahead and painted some white supports. I installed those. That quartz countertop was pretty thick and heavy. I think I allowed it to overhang 14 inches and 2 inches into the kitchen. I supported it up for a day till everything dried. That's that wood support in the middle. So while I was doing my time-lapse video, the new tenants decided to pop in and come check on some progress, how everything was going. Allowed them to come in there and look at it, check it out. Put some molding underneath. Put some, painter's putty, filled in the nail holes, painted that, and boom, that was done. Then, right after, got the tub reglazed. Looked pretty good. Had to do some touch-up painting after we poured some of the tape and paint off, but everything was going smooth, scheduled.
All right, this is like day 17. And this is what we look like. This is gonna be my last video because my tenants are trying to move in here. So, got everything pretty much cleaned up. Got a little bit of paper down. It's our countertops. Only thing I really have left to do is the shelving. They're really trying to get in here, so I gotta just keep moving. This is our kitchen. I got all my appliances running right now. I don't know the time. I need to set that. What time is it? Let's pause. Let me get the time. All right, boom. Got our time set. Installed outlets. Hooked up the ice maker, refrigerator. My celebration Corona. Let's pause the video again so I can crack that. All right, I'm back. So yeah, so this project, I wanted to do it in 30 days, but I ended up doing it in about like 45 days. Change the lights, colors on here somewhere. So, appliances running, stackable. This is our bathroom. This horrible bathroom. Slap a couple shelves on there. Let's see, we gotta get some shelving in here. Dang, the camera make that light look yellow. There's actually a 400K bulb in there. That's pretty much it, y'all. Yeah, it's just a 30-day run. Turned out to be 45. 30-day run turned out to be 45. So, put some shelving up. And that's pretty much it. I think I had one outlet plate cover because I ran out. Yep.
So I got a phone call after the first day of occupancy. The spout was running. Don't know how we missed that, but we came back, didn't want to play around with it. Got my guy to go ahead, cut it, added a little bit of 1/2-inch copper, went ahead and sweated that thing in there. So I don't, them rubber gaskets sometimes they can leak. They're not supposed to, but they do. But whatever it is, we just want to make a permanent fix. Went ahead and sweated that in there. That's my guy eater right there. Workhorse. But we went ahead, got that in there. Well, he did, actually. Got everything back how it's supposed to be, and boom. All set. With all that being said and done, appreciate everybody watching all of the videos. Hit the sub button. Catch y'all in the next video.
Look good.
Hot.